Hello everyone. In this video, I'd like to talk about the generation of meaningful data for testing InterSystems IRIS solutions using Google's Gemini AI. We all know that having a set of proper test data before deploying an application to production is crucial for ensuring its reliability and performance. It allows to simulate real-world scenarios and identify potential issues or bugs on test environments before they impact end users. Moreover, testing with representative datasets allows to optimize performance, identify bottlenecks, and fine-tune algorithms or processes as needed. Ultimately, having a comprehensive set of test data helps to deliver a higher quality product, reducing the likelihood of post-production issues and enhancing the overall user experience. Considering the explosive growth in development of AI, I thought it would be real interesting to see how AI can be used to make developers' and testers' lives easier. So here is my take on how to create test data without too much fuss using Google's AI Gemini. This example is just from the top of my head, so I don't pretend it's the best way to go about doing this. Anyway, to populate my example class with data, I will use the RESTful service to generate data in a JSON format and then use the received data to create objects. In this example, I will use a simple class restaurant.dish that consists of 6 atomic properties: name, description, category, price, currency, and calories. To populate the instances of this class with data using AI, I came up with the following query. Write a JSON object that contains a field dish, which is an array of 10 elements. Each element contains name, description, category, price, currency, calories of the restaurant dish. First, I ran it directly in my advanced REST client to see if I get the desired result. And it worked. The results are actually quite good. I got an object that has a field dish, which is an array with required fields. I can use this array to convert each JSON object into an IRIS object and save it into the database. Now that I have the wording of my query, I need to generate it as automatically as possible, call it and process the result. So, next step, generating the query. Using the very useful article on how to get the list of properties of a class, I can generate automatically most of the query. Following step is to call the Gemini RESTful service and process the resulting JSON. First, I need to process the result and get rid of unnecessary data, and afterwards I iterate the array I received and convert JSON objects to IRIS objects. Now that I see the result, it's quite impressive. Not only the description and category correspond to the name of the dish, but also prices and calories look real as well. Which means that I actually get a database filled with reasonably real-looking data. And the results of the queries that I'm going to run are going to resemble the real results. Of course, a huge drawback of this approach is the necessity of writing a query to a generative AI and the fact that it takes time to generate the result. But the actual data may be worth it. Anyway, it is for you to decide. Thanks for watching this video. Check out the article where you will find the code of this example. See you next time.